I'm Divashini Selvaratnam from Human Resource Management Department. Today, I'm going to talk about digital art, a modern evolution of visual art. Forms encompasses any artistic creation made with digital technology. This medium offers unprecedented, flexible, and a vast array of tools that expand the boundaries of traditional art practices. While rooted in classical composition principles, digital art introduces new possibilities and techniques that shape the way artists approach visual storytelling. The essential element of composition, which is start from line, shape, color, texture, value, balance, emphasis, rhythm, movement, proportion, unity, and harmony, play a critical role in guiding an artist's creative process. In addition to these digital specific tools such as layering, brush customization, blending modes offer further potential for experimentation and innovation. Understanding these elements, their historical context, and their usage in digital art provides deeper insight into how the digital medium shapes today's creative landscape. Line. In both traditional and digital art, the line is a fundamental tool of defining shape, treating textures, and guiding the viewer's eye through the composition. Digital arts have unparalleled control over using lines, brushes, pens, and vector tools to adjust thickness, style, and color with precision. Lines in a digital art are not limited by physical material, allowing for smooth, sharp, or complex contour that can suggest movement or focus attention on particular area of the work. Shape and form. Shapes, which are two-dimensional areas enclosed by lines, and forms, which have three-dimensional volume, are critical to the structure of any composition. In digital art, geometric and organic shapes can be manipulated easily using software tools. Additionally, artists can stimulate three-dimensional form through shading and lightning, or work directly in 3D environments to model objects. These shapes and form contributes to depth and realism of a digital piece, helping create a balanced and visual engaging composition. Third one is color. Color is one of the most potential elements in any art, affecting moods, symbolism, and emphasis. Digital tools offer a wide range of color choices, from flat colors to complex gradients and transparencies. Artists can manipulate hues, saturation, and values with ease, applying color schemes like complementary or analogous colors to enhance emotional depth or trade contrasts. Software features such as blending modes enable artists to experiment with color interactions that can dramatically alter the perception of a composition. Texture. Texture in digital art refers to the visual or tactile quality of an object. Although digital art lacks the physical tactile of traditional media, digital artists can stimulate texture using a variety of tools. Custom brushes, filters, and patterns allow for the replication of real textures, like wood, fabric, or stone, or creation of abstract, otherworldly surfaces. The application of texture adds depth and visual interest to digital works, making them more dynamic and immersive. Value, which is we call light and shade. Value is the lightness or darkness of the color or area within a composition, and it plays a critical role in creating contrast and defining forms. In digital art, value is easily manipulated through digital lighting techniques and dynamic adjustment to brightness and contrast. Artists use light and shadow not only to define the three-dimensionality of objects, but also to establish the mood and focus within the piece. Balance is the contribution of visual weight within a composition. A well-balanced piece feels stable and harmonious, while an intentionally unbalanced one may evoke tension or dynamism. In digital art, artists can use tools like grids or symmetry functions to ensure a balanced layout. Symmetry, asymmetry, and radial balance are techniques that artists employ to guide the viewer's eye to create a sense of equilibrium. Another main composition is emphasis and focal point. Emphasis involves directing the viewer's attention to a specific area of the composition, often achieved to a focal point. Artists use color contrast, size, texture, position to highlight this area. In digital art, tools like selective color adjustment, blurring, and masking make it easier to create, emphasize, and draw attention to critical aspect of the piece. Next one is rhythm and movement. Rhythm in visual art refers to the repetition or alternation of elements, which creates a sense of movement. This can be achieved by repeating shapes, lines, or color in a way that guides the viewer through the art. In digital art, rhythm can be accentuated with motion blur effects or even though animation, allowing the artist to simulate physical movement or flow within the composition. Proportion is the relationship between sizes of different elements within a composition, while scale refers to how large or small something appears in relation to mode. In digital art, proportion can be exaggerated or altered to create a surreal or symbolic effects. Digital tools make it easy to scale objects and adjust their sizes relative to the entire composition, giving artists control over visual hierarchy. The last composition is unity and harmony. Unity and harmony refer to how well the different elements of composition work together to create a cohesive whole. Consistency in a color schemes, shape, repetition, or pattern can help achieve unity. Digital art tools provide numerous options for organizing elements, such as grouping, layers, or adjusting colors across the entire piece to maintain visual art. Digital specific tools and techniques. Beyond these traditional elements, digital art introduces unique tools that enhance composition possibilities. First one is layering, allows for non-destructive editing and easy manipulation of different elements independently. Second one, brush customization, provides endless opportunities for creating unique textures and details. Then the third one is transforms tools, enable artists to scale, screw, and swap elements, creating dynamic composition with minimal effort. Finally, blending modes of a new ways to interact with colors and textures, opening doors to affect the way once impossible in traditional media. To be conclusion, the composition principles of digital art mirror those of traditional art, but are expanded by the vast capabilities of modern technology. From line, shape, and color to balance, contrast, and unity, digital artists utilize these elements to craft visually engaging works. Digital art, building on centuries of artist tradition, continues to evolve and push the boundaries of creative expression, offering limitless possibility for the future.